There is many people in the world today that they have certain reason to believe that they're Jewish. They have a family member that told them that really the ancestry of their family is Jewish, but they don't have a way to prove it. And it's very frustrating situation to be in, and it seems that there's millions of people that are in this situation. When someone like that is coming to the Jewish community anywhere, so usually they will tell him, if you don't have a proof that you're Jewish, so you have to go through conversion. And to go through conversion is not so simple. It's a long process. It takes time. The person have to put in like his training, learning, going over the material, and it's a whole process. There is many ways within that process of converting. Depends if someone wants to live in Eretz Israel, to do Aliyah, so then he needs that it will be recognized by the Rabbanut, and that's like a big story, a big deal. And if somebody doesn't need that, he just want that he will be recognized as a Jew in a certain community, so then it's a different story. So there's many nuances that will make a big difference. But to make it simple, the process of conversion, let's say that we're speaking about something like a period of 2 years of learning and dedicating oneself to that process, and within that time it needs to be in learning program that is recognized by a rabbi that is doing conversions. If this rabbi is recognized by the Rabbanut, so that will be recognized. If not, so it will not be recognized. So only the people that are recognizing this rabbi will accept the conversion of this rabbi. Many people, they are going through a process of converting, and then they find out that this rabbi that they chose, that he will be the rabbi that is in charge of their conversion, so is not recognized, and then they get very upset. I had a few people like that went through the whole process few times, one after another, that it will be accepted in like different places. So it is very tiring and not a simple situation and process to be in. But if somebody is dedicated and it's important for him and he really wants it, it's possible. It's possible. And whoever needs some guidance about it, so I can give a lot of information, because I have a lot of experience with the people that came here with all kinds of different situations like that. Me myself, I'm not dealing with converting, but I wrote a few times recommendations for people that came to learn by me, that they will go through the process of converting by other rabbis in different places. So Bezrat Hashem will help all of us to get our life clear together. Bezrat Hashem. Baruch Adonai Le'olam. Amen ve'amen.